Partial differentiation. Partial derivative of a function several variable. It is derivative with respect to one of those variable, with the other held constant, as opposed to the total derivative, in which all the variables are allowed to vary. Partial derivatives are used in vector calculus and differential geometry. Sample: 2x raised to 3, 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2x plus 3 dx plus negative x squared y minus 2x dy equals 0. Let your 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2y plus 3 is your m, and let your n equals to x squared y minus 2x. Then derive your m and your n. You will get 2xy minus 2, and you will get the 2xy minus 2.